Hey there, it's Joshua Stern here, and I'm going to be blunt with you all. The era of search engine optimization is dead and dying. And if you're still fighting for a blue link on page one of Google, you're playing a game that's already over, my friends. Most agents are still doing the whole post and pray thing, and my coaching clients are doing something entirely different. So take my client, Michael, for example. In just 5 weeks of executing our new GEO system, he isn't just ranking on Google, he's being cited as the local authority by large language models. So when a local buyer asks ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, who's the expert in this city? AI says his name, and that is GEO, otherwise known as generative engine optimization. Some people call it AEO, which stands for answer engine optimization. And if AI doesn't know who you are, then you're becoming the invisible in real time. So, what I'm going to do on Wednesday, May 13th, from 12 to 2 o'clock, I'm going to hold a master class on GEO dominance at our Keller Williams, Utah Mid Valley location. It's called How to Become AI Recognized Expert, GEO Mastery at its finest. We're not going to just talk about the future. We're going to actually go ahead and build your future. We're going to cover three primary phases in the class. Number one is very important. It's called entity lock. And so we're going to do an audit on your digital footprint to ensure that your identity is actually locked in. So you don't look like multiple different characters to the large language models. We're going to make sure that Google and AI just see you as one consistent, credible authority, not just digital noise. Phase two is going to be kind of our weekly sprint, and this is the Michael method, if you will. I'm going to give you our cross utilization model, and this is where you're going to learn how to take one 3 to 5 minute video and you'll turn it into 10 or more high value signals. It's how you become agentic, moving from a stressed out agent to a leveraged CEO that owns their time. And then phase three is the secret weapon, the secret sauce, otherwise known as schema. So I'm going to hand over my copy and paste library. We're going to dive into schema a little bit and the hidden code that essentially tells AI who you are exactly. And you get the exact snippets to plug into your site so the technology actually works for you. Now, if you're not currently a Keller Williams agent yet, you might wonder, why am I sharing this? Well, at KW Utah, we don't just offer a desk and a split. We're a coaching-based powerhouse, whether it's MREA models, that's the millionaire real estate agent models, or AI-powered systems. We're actually doing this stuff with you. So Michael changed his entire digital trajectory in 35 days. What happens to your business if you wait another 6 months to learn this? Stop guessing. Stop being invisible. Go ahead and click the link, grab your seat for Wednesday, May 13th at the Keller Williams Utah Mid Valley office. Bring a laptop and let's take the mystery out of this whole AI thing and put certainty back into your production. And I'll see you there.